Hey guys, so I have here my new SoundStream Repulse N42 portable Bluetooth speaker. So we're going to have a look at this thing. I just received it and I'm excited. So this comes with 18 hours of playtime. It is IPX7 waterproof. Then it comes with two 70mm woofers and also two 20mm tweeters. And it has a maximum output of 50 watts, so that is more than the JBL Extreme 2, by the way. And it also supports TWS, so that means we can really easily connect a second speaker and they're going to play together the same music. So but now let us open up the box, and the first thing we find is the accessories. And the first thing we find here is this really nice adjustable belt. So we can attach this to the speaker and then it's really easy to carry it around. Then in the second box here we find the charging cable as well as the instruction manual. So here the charging cable is USB Type-C. You can see that here, and it does not come with an actual charger, so you do have to come with your own charger. And I'm, for example, using here my laptop charger. That works just fine. And then here we have the instructions manual. Just a really brief specifications and then how to use the speaker and about all the button functionalities. Now let's finally have a look at the speaker itself. So here you see the housing is here aluminum. Feels really nice and cold, actually. Nice and cool. And so here on the top we have the button panels. And then the back side here, behind the SoundStream, that's the connectors. Bottom has rubberized feet, and here it feels really nice. The grill, and then also on the top here on the sides we have these hooks. So that's where we can hook our belt onto, so that we can carry this speaker around really easily and comfortably. Because it does have some weight to it, so it's actually 5 pounds, which is about 2.3 kilograms. And here on the sides we can see the passive radiators. They're really nice and big. And let me show you here how you can connect now the belt. See, really nice and easy. Then here behind this little latch, that's where we have the ports. So on the left we have an auxiliary port. Then here's an output, so we can charge our smartphone with USB, for example, and also a USB Type-C output. And this USB Type-C is actually also here the charging port for the speaker itself. And you can use the charging cable that came with the speaker. On my case, I'm actually using the fast charger of my laptop. And with that, it takes about 1.5 hours for a full charge. Now I just turned on the speaker for the very first time. So now let us also pair this to my smartphone here, to my iPhone, really quickly. So this works just like any other Bluetooth speaker. So just turn on Bluetooth on your phone and enable the pairing mode on the speaker, and within seconds you have this thing up and running. So now we can immediately start playing our music and try it out, see how it sounds a little bit. So now let's also have a closer look at the buttons on the top of the speaker. So of course we do have the volume up and down buttons, but then we also have here the power button, which also is used for play and pause. And then from the left, next to the volume minus button, we have the mode button, which is kind of changing the equalizer settings between like an indoor and outdoor mode. Then we have the TWS button to pair a second speaker. And on the right we have then the Bluetooth button, and here an input button, so you can actually choose between Bluetooth input or the auxiliary, and you can also plug in a USB stick and play music directly from there. And now let me show you what this TWS feature is. So this means you can connect a second speaker to the first one, and then they're going to both play at the same time. And all you have to do is just press the TWS button on the first speaker that is connected to your smartphone, and then I'm just simply turning on the second speaker that I have, and I didn't do anything to it before. You see, it immediately, when it turns on, finds the first speaker and now both speakers are paired together. From now on, they're going to play the music at the same time. So all we have to do now is go to my phone and start that up and start playing, and we can listen to this now.